If your Minecraft mods aren't working, you're missing the fabric loader. Don't worry, let's fix that in under a minute. This guide is all you need. First, make sure your official Minecraft launcher is installed and closed. Also, for Minecraft 1.21.10, you'll need Java 21 or newer. Step 1. Head to the official Fabric website and download the installer. On Windows, grab the .exe file. Everyone else, use the universal.jar. Run the installer, pick Client, then select version 1.21.10. Keep the loader version on default. Make sure the path is right and hit Install. Next, download the Fabric API mod from Modrinth or CurseForge. Put the .jar file into your Minecraft mods folder. Create one if it's missing. Open your Minecraft launcher, select Fabric Loader 1.21.10, and hit play. Pro tip: install Mod menu to manage your mods easily.